Halloween can be a scary time of the year, but I have a few tricks of my own and a treat for you. This video will start with the Minnesota Woodworkers Expo. Then I'll show you how I got Temptress back into a garage, and then we'll finish up with some pumpkins from the Minnesota Zoo. But first, here's a look at Temptress at the Minnesota Woodworkers Expo. Visitors to the expo were surprised by the size of Temptress and the amount of detail required to build a wooden boat frame. There were clearly more talented boat builders and woodworkers at the show. I appreciated the support and advice from multiple people that stopped by. With over 2,000 visitors to the expo, the day was a great success for all. The process of putting Temptress into my garage started on a sunny day where I uncovered Temptress. I had to deflate the tires to fit her into the garage. I used my gantry cranes, but unfortunately they were too tall to move forward past the garage door opener. By placing wooden dowels underneath the strongback, I could then push the boat back off of the trailer. I continued to reposition the dowels and push the boat backwards. I positioned the second gantry crane and pushed the boat backwards until the back came off the trailer. Then I continued to position and pull the trailer forward while the gantry cranes supported the boat. Then I take the rollers out so I can push the boat with the trailer. Once I get the boat suspended by the gantry cranes, I drop the boat in place. Now I can move the boat by hand so I can work on different parts of the boat inside the garage. With Temptress safely in the garage, I headed to the Minnesota Zoo for the Jack-o'-lantern Spectacular. There were thousands of pumpkins carved by professionals, and there were a few pumpkins carved by the zoo's animals. Till next time, cheers.